Weeks filed an affidavit years ago highlighting evidence he says was not introduced at the trial that he believes could have swayed the outcome of this case. Tonight, it's not clear whether or not his remarks focus on any sense of new evidence or simply was a re-emphasis of his position. One of the highest profile crimes in the state's history, drawing attention once again as Judge Gregory Weeks, who presided over the case, telling the Parole Commission that a forensic blood analyst investigating the case did not disclose that a blood-like substance found inside Jordan's car may not have been blood at all. Prosecutors say childhood friends Larry Demery and Daniel Green killed Jordan during a robbery gone wrong. While Demery says Green pulled the trigger, Green has denied that, though he has acknowledged he helped Demery dispose of a body. Green is currently serving a life sentence, with Weeks' remarks made during a parole hearing.
In most cases, the parole commissioners will be looking at essentially whether or not they think that you are the type of person who's likely to commit crimes again, and they're basing that judgment off of what kind of classes you've taken, whether or not you've held jobs, whether or not you've managed to stay out of trouble.
However, Ben Finholt, who serves as director of the Just Sentencing Project at Duke School of Law, says there's no formal rubric, making North Carolina an outlier in this regard. Another difference, defendants who commit crimes while adults typically do not participate in their hearings, and Green was not present Tuesday.
This is the only part of the criminal justice system where hearing directly from the person accused is not of the highest importance.
Currently, there are two separate ongoing legal efforts on Green's behalf. One is the standard parole process. The second is a motion for appropriate release, which is a post-conviction challenge to a conviction or sentence. A motion in Robeson County Superior Court was denied last October, and his legal team is in the process of drafting an appeal to the NC Court of Appeals. Now, Green was last up for parole in 2021. A spokesperson for the Department of Corrections tells ABC 11 that testimony provided to the Parole Commission is confidential, meaning they are unable to release any sense of transcripts or recordings. Now, the Parole Commission is going to take what they learned from this hearing, review it for at least a month, though Finholt says in some cases it can take much longer than that for a final parole determination one way or the other to be issued. In Durham, I'm Michael Perchik, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.